Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Alex. Today we're doing a makeup play date. So we have, obviously you guys have seen my last 3 gatherings of makeup. So I wanted to do something fun and different and just talk to you guys and chit chat. So I haven't used this palette on camera and I hauled this last year, a while back. It was like the summertime. And I haven't used it, so I was in the mood for pink. So this is what we're going for today. I am also going to test out this highlighter that I hauled from Essence in the Be My Spotlight. And then I forgot I had gotten this with gift with purchase during the holiday season when I purchased holiday gifts for others. So I wanted to test that out. It's a Marc Jacobs. It's called Snapshot is the color. And this is the Plum and Get It. Oh no, this is the Plum and Get It. It says Snapshot. That's what you're supposed to do with it. Plum and Get It is the color, and it's a Marc Liquid Lip Crayon. So I've heard good things about that one. So we're just gonna go and play with our stuff today. So let me try on this highlighter first because it's already there. Might as well. So I have gotten a tip from my friend that if you want these specific highlighters to be more pronounced, use a wet beauty blender or a sponge and then pat it on your cheek. But I want this to be a soft wash because it is a duochrome pinky. So we're gonna blend this in. Well, you could definitely see that it's pink. It's gonna match. It's gonna match our eyeshadow today. It is subtle, but I could see it. And what I mean by subtle, there's no glitter at all, but you could see that it's pink. So if you don't like a pink highlighter, you're not gonna like this, but you definitely don't have glitter at all, which I like. Sometimes I like my glitter, sometimes I don't. This was nice. I might want to set that though because it looks like it's sitting on my skin, and it might be because I put on too much, but it's pretty and it's white in the pan, but it's pink on your skin. So obviously we'll do a wear test on that to see how long that lasts. So now we're gonna get here. I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna mix Score and Poodle together. And we're going to just use that into our crease. I don't know what we're doing yet for eye look. Ooh, that is pigmented. Yeah, I'm not surprised, Colourpop. I am not surprised. I just wanted to do a pink color today, pink shades. If you haven't been following me the month of January, purple's one. Sneak peek for my Shop My Stash. I've been wearing nonstop purple everything. So I wanted a little bit of a different feel for this video. Oh goodness, it is so cold today. I am freezing in this room. My room is above the garage, so it's always going to be cold in here, which is good because it'll maintain my makeup and it won't like melt or kill it or anything. The germs will be fine, but it's cold up here. I'm cold. And the heater's on, and that's why I'm always wearing long sleeve sweaters and stuff, because I is cold. I is cold. Okay, I think we're gonna do a halo look today, young ladies. We're gonna go, oh, should I do the purple or this pink? Oh, let's do this one. So we're gonna do Caddy. I'm gonna pack that on her outer V. So as I'm filming this video, we are going to be getting apparently a double whammy this weekend as far as snow and rain. First, apparently it's like some sort of rainstorm, and then another round of snow, which we enjoyed the first time around in the snow. Yeah, we did some sledding, we built some snowmen. And we were the only people in the neighborhood out. I felt awkward because we were the newbies in the neighborhood and no one else was out but us. And we know that there are some younger kids in this neighborhood. No one else was out but us. We were the only ones making the ruckus, and ruining the peace and the snow, the peaceful snow. But it was all worth it because we made memories and the kids enjoyed it too. They had a blast. That's a pretty color. I am so tempted to use this tickled shade right here, but I don't know if I should use Big Sugar instead. Let me swatch. Oh wow, look at that. Maybe I'll use Big Sugar in the middle with my finger. Holy moly, that is pink. And then we'll use that tickle on top. Oh wow, that's like chunky glitter. You might need a glitter glue with this one, I have a feeling that'll fall out all over my face. That is pigmented. Wow. That tickled shade is very pretty. It's just, I have a feeling that I should have used the glitter glue. Just a fair warning if you are using that one. See? Use a glitter glue. Yep. Just gonna go back in with Caddy to kind of mesh these two together. Oh, that just flaked away. Look at that. It flaked away completely. That did not last. Okay, yeah. Use a glitter glue because I could see all the glitter on my eyelashes. Well, let's try to wet that shade in. Shadow Insurance, we're going to try this again. Put that in the center. And then we're going to grab Tickled again. And now it adheres. See that difference? Oh yeah. You either have to wet that shade or you have to put a glitter glue because that is not staying otherwise. It's just going to flake right off. It is pretty though, I'll tell you that much. It's like a white, pinky, shifting shade. Holy moly. That is not for the faint of heart. That's really pretty though. Okay, back to Caddy, which is that purple shade. And just fixing the ends. So I have an idea for a palette bingo I want to do. Hopefully it'll be up soon, if not already. Alright, so now I'm going to grab the same Caddy and put it at my lower lash line. Then I'm going to grab that soft core and poodle that I used in the beginning and then blend that out. Moonstruck right here, which is another shimmer shade. Put that in the inner corner. Very nice. I could have used this one wet, but I wanted to test out more of these shades. Wow. That is some serious look I did today. I'm gonna blend this out on the edges. It's pretty though. Dig it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do just a line. I'm not gonna do a wing line just because I don't like doing wing line too often when I do a halo look. I don't have a pink eyeliner. I know I don't. So I'm just gonna use black in the waterline and then lashes, mascara, and then we'll come back and then I'm gonna end up doing the lips. So this is what the eyes look like with the lashes, and it actually looked really nice without lashes too. So if you don't want to do lashes, I think this look will look really nice without it. Now I'm going to use my lip liner in Bite Beauty in number 36. I always forget to sharpen this thing. So now I'm going to line my lips and then we're going to fill it in with this Marc Jacobs lip. Just by first impressions of this lip product, oh my word, this thing is so creamy as far as it gliding on your lips. It feels like a liquid lipstick you know how how do you say it? Where it's the liquidy consistency of a liquid lipstick. That's what this feels like. It glided on. The pigment was ridiculous putting this on. And it feels so lightweight and moisturizing. Oh, I love this. Oh, this is bad. These are really nice. Wow. First impression, I absolutely love these. Oh my goodness, if you don't own one of these and you can get a point perk or something, so worth it, completely worth it. I'm so glad I got this with gift with purchase. This is beautiful, and the color, I love it. This is the Plum and Get It, which is definitely an Alex color. I love it, love it. This already, as long as I can tell you guys right now, it's gonna wear so nice. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I love this already. As far as the highlighter goes, I actually like this too. And the reason why I like it is because it's subtle, but you can still see like a pinky hue to it, but it's subtle and it doesn't have any glitter flexes on it, so I can wear it on the daily, like, you know, my everyday life and not feel awkward. Because, you know, sometimes my very pigmented ones, I have to pick and choose. And this palette, again, I love Colourpop. Just their eyeshadows are amazing. This is really, really nice for $12, I believe this one is. Very, very nice. I know that it's having a companion and I really want it. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. This shade right here, Tickled, you have to use this one wet or with a glitter glue, because then it's just gonna be like this flakiness. But it's beautiful once you pack it on, and it's super intense, as you guys can see. All the shades that I used blended out nicely. Soft, Cuddle, Soft Core, and Poodle are really nice. Big Sugar, super, super intense, like pink. Barbie, pink, that's serious. Caddy is super beautiful, purple. And then this Moonstruck one is your typical gold, and it's really, really pretty and soft texture. The only ones I didn't use was Trove, Sandbar, and Opulent. But I'm gonna keep playing with this, but as far as I know, everything so far that I've used today, I love, especially this lip product. These two are my top favorite, definitely. And then obviously I do like this one. So that's it for my makeup play date. Thank you guys so much for watching. If there's any other new makeup that you see me recently haul or anything, let me know in the comment section. I can use those in a makeup play date or something on my channel, so you guys can take a look at that. I just want to switch back and forth, you know, between brands, so then that way you guys are not bored seeing the same brands over and over and over when it comes to tutorials and things. And obviously the way I do tutorials, I'm trying to mix them up so that way you're not seeing the constant get ready with me, talk through, you know, that kind of thing. I want to at least make it fun for you guys. You guys get to know a little bit about my daily life and stuff. So anyway, I will list and link these down below. Seriously, you guys, if you own any of these, you gotta tell me, because now I want some. Darn it, I'm not allowed to buy lip products, and that one's so good. So anyway, I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.